Here's something interesting. Most people don't get bad results from AI because the tools are bad. They get bad results because they skip the thinking part. And once you skip that, no prompt in the world can save you, boss. In this video, I'll show you the thinking system that should come before prompts, tools, and automation, and why skipping it makes AI feel noisy instead of useful. This channel is called Systemized. The idea here is pretty simple. We don't chase tools, we don't jump from one AI app to another. We focus on building work systems first, and then we pick the tools that actually fit into these systems. If you have ever felt AI is powerful but somehow messy, overwhelming, or inconsistent, this video will make that click. Most people think that AI fails because they don't know how to write prompts. That's not really the problem. The problem really starts before the prompt is even written. You open an AI tool, you type something vague, the output comes back vague, and then you think, yeah, this is overrated. But AI isn't confused, boss. Your thinking is. AI just mirrors the confusion back to you. If your thinking is unclear, the output will be unclear, no matter which tool you use. That's why, before prompts, we need a thinking system. On Systemized, we always start with what I call the thinking layer. This layer has just 3 jobs. First, get clear on what you actually want. Second, break the problem down. And third, challenge your own thinking. That's it. Everything else, prompting, writing, organization, automation, builds on top of this. Let's walk through these one by one. The first one is the outcome definition framework. Before touching any AI tool, pause for a second. Ask yourself, what am I actually trying to get out of this? Not the task, but the result. Are you trying to make a decision, explain something, compare options, or create a plan? Let me give you a simple example. Say you open an AI tool and type, help me plan my work better. That sounds reasonable, but it's actually useless. There's no outcome there, no decision, no definition of success. Now compare that to, help me decide how to plan my week so I reduce last minute work. Same tool, completely different clarity. This is why outcome definition matters more than the fancy prompts. Once the outcome is clear, we move to the problem decomposition framework. This is where most people rush. Instead of asking AI for answers, you ask it to help you break the problem apart. What is the main problem? What are the smaller pieces of this problem? What do I don't know yet? Here's where people mess this up. They ask AI to solve the entire problem in one go, but the complex work doesn't work like that. When you break a problem down, you're not slowing yourself down, you're actually creating momentum. Once the problem is structured, you suddenly know what to work on next. That's the difference between feeling stuck and feeling like you're moving forward. The third framework is the one most people skip, the challenger thinking framework. Most people use AI like a yes man. That's a mistake. Here, you use AI to push back on your thinking. You ask it to question assumptions, to point out gaps, to show you what might go wrong. This part feels uncomfortable for a lot of people because we don't like our thinking being challenged. But this is exactly where AI is most useful. Not when it agrees with you, but when it shows you what you're missing. And that's how decision quality improves. These 3 frameworks together make up the thinking layer. And here's the important part. If this layer is weak, everything else breaks. Prompts don't work, writing gets messier, organizations fall apart, and automation eventually fails. That's why we always start here. So here's something you can try today. Before opening any AI tool, just do 3 things. First, get clear on the outcome. Second, break the problem down. Third, challenge your own thinking. Do this consistently, and AI will stop feeling random. In the next video, we'll go deeper into specific prompt models, what works, what doesn't, and why the same prompt behaves differently across AI tools. If this way of thinking makes sense to you, consider subscribing. This is Systemized.